Hey guys, got something pretty special today, so we're just gonna go on with the unboxing. I gotta say the shipping was really fast, by the way, from Amazon. Surprised by it actually. Especially right now during COVID, I expected longer wait times. But here's the box. It's a little... I'm surprised there's bumps on it. Well, really secure in there. Good packaging. But anyways, let's open this up. Okay, I don't see any damage to the product itself. Here we got these guys, which we need in order to set this up. We got this card right here. It's good to know. And user guide, which, yeah, pretty basic. I will be showing you guys how to set this up later on. Anyways, in another video, there's a setup video plus a review. Reviews usually come out a few weeks later just to see, do a full test on it and see what it can handle, what it can't. So this is exactly what you would get inside the box. And I can tell you right away, it feels heavy, which I like. I like heavy stuff. That means quality. Whenever something I feel that's way too light, usually there's way too much cheap plastic and no good parts in it. So, why is this heavy? Well, you can see that this plate on the back is metal, which is great. I like metal. Here are the connections, pretty standard. And yes, this will go against your wall. You could, I guess, maybe transform this into a plug. If you hook it up and then plug it to an outlet, you could. I guess you could. But you would have to do it yourself. Right now, if you want to set this up easy, just put it against your wall. It's going to be placed against your wall like so. So that means that this will be lighting down the whole time. Okay? So you can see that there's this angle right here, so the light will be going down the whole time if you put this against a wall, okay? So keep that in mind when you're buying this. This is flat, this is the flat area, it's gonna go against your wall. This will be pointing down. So if you need something like this that's beaming down, such as on top of your garage or something like that, this would be ideal. Other than that, I'm very surprised that this is weatherproof. I can't wait to test it out because there's so much breathing space right here that it's just amazing that this is weatherproof. That's wow. So obviously rain will go through here, as you guys can see. It's just gonna go right through. But it's literally just gonna go right through. See? There's this right here. So that means rain will just come out. Yeah, all the water will just come out. I'm gonna not test it out just in rain, but also on snow, freezing weather, really hot weather. So we're gonna check out what this can withstand. From what I can tell you from other products that I've done from this company, such as their security camera, really great. It hasn't failed yet. It's withstand really cold weather, snow and everything, and it does a great job. This I can tell you right away, just at first glance, like I said, heavy, so I like that. Now there's this plastic right here that we have to take out. And finally, I took that off, and this is how it looks like. So you guys can see the LEDs right here. I can only imagine this is pretty strong. I will have to test it out. This is an unboxing for you guys to see exactly how this looks like. The whole connections, which is pretty basic. Now this around it is plastic. So all this is plastic. That's, almost feels like metal, but no, I think that's plastic too. Plastic, well, not sure, maybe metal. And definitely metal. And then we got our LEDs. So it does look pretty neat. It does look pretty cool. It is massive. So if I can compare this to, I don't know, let's compare this to an iPhone. This would be maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 iPhones would cover this whole area. And then the width would be, I don't know why I'm comparing to iPhones, but anyways, another iPhone here and another iPhone this way, maybe. So it is quite big. Let me just show you the user guide that we got with it. Again, you won't need it, because you guys can just watch my video, and that's it. But anyways, the setup itself is really basic. It's just like any other light. There's nothing to it. It does supposed to turn on during the night and turn off automatically during the day. I gotta say, I do hope this company goes towards some solar powered ones. I'm really hoping for that. Haven't seen that yet, but I'm really hoping they're working on that, because that would be really interesting. As of now, this is what they have, and I don't think they have any solar powered products at the moment. So again, this is not solar powered. This, you will have to hook it up. Again, this is just a really quick unboxing video. However, I will be doing another video where it's going to be a setup and a review on this light right here, which is awesome. By the way, if you guys are asking how long did this take to get to me, well, it's from Amazon Prime, and it took a couple days, so I think it was only maybe 2 or 3 days. But for now, and for this video, this is it. This is what you guys get. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate, and don't forget to watch that setup video and review.